南针，
指南针。
A compass, 指南针, indicates north and south. It was invented by Chinese 2,000 years ago. The ancient 指南针 looked like a spoon. When the spoon was put on a plate, its handle could point to the south, using magnetic fields. Then Chinese used a little steel needle to replace the spoon. This made the 指南针 easier to carry. "600 years ago, Zheng He, a famous eunuch of the Ming Dynasty, traveled to Southeast Asia and the Indian Ocean 7 times. Zheng even reached the Red Sea with the help of the 指南针. The invention boosted the development of navigation.
"指南针，
指南针。